How to download Spotify playlist in your phone. Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way to download a Spotify playlist in your phone. This works on both iPhone and Android. I do recommend watching the video to the end so you get all the steps you need in this process. You also may want to subscribe to this channel in case there is any new updates on this topic. So let's head over to the Spotify app and I will show you how to do this. Access your library to find the playlist you want to download. And let's say we want to download this Christmas playlist here. The first thing I want to do is to click the three dots on the top of the screen. And then I want to tap download. And as you can see, we are now downloading our complete playlist to our phone. And that is basically how to do it. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I will try my very best to answer. If this tutorial worked for you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video.